Okay, so to connect our Flutter app with Cloud Firestore, the first thing we have to do is create a new Flutter project. I'll name it test project. Okay, so now I'll save it in my desktop. I'll create the project in my desktop, and it will take up a few seconds to create the project files. So the first thing we have to do is we'll create the UI. What will be there in UI is there would be two text fields and a button. The first text field will input the name, and the second text field will input the age, and it would be stored to Cloud Firestore. I'll show you how. Just let me make the UI till then. Okay, so now I'll save the value of name to the name variable, and whatever is entered in age to age variable, and then we'll write the code for the raise button. So the next thing that we'll do is we'll go to console.firebase.google.com, and then we'll create a new project. I'll name it test project only, and we'll continue, and we'll select the default account for Firebase. It will just take a few seconds. Okay, and my project is ready. Let's continue. Then I'll go to Android setup and right here com.example.test project, whatever your bundle ID is, package ID, and then I'll register this app. Then I'll download this Google services.json file. Okay, and this is downloaded, so I'll move it to the app folder inside the Android folder. So Android/app/Google services.json file. Okay, now what's next? What next we'll do is we'll go back again to pubspec.yaml file and add another dependency, cloud_firestore, and we'll not mention the version, so it will take the latest version itself. Okay, then we'll import the package Cloud Firestore. Now what we'll do is we'll continue the SDK setup. We'll copy this line and add to the project level build Gradle, which you can see here, and I'll add it to the dependencies, that line, and I'll save it. Then I'll go to the app level build Gradle inside the app folder, and I'll add it here. And another line, I'll add this one, implementation line, to the dependencies, and I'll save this file also. Now I'll come back to the main.dart file, and let's write here code. Let's write the code there. Let's first set up the database. We'll go to the database from here, and we'll just create a database in test mode. Okay, we'll choose the default time zone. Okay, now from here what we'll do is we'll create a new collection. We'll call it users, and or document ID will be generated automatically. Name would be set to Harry for just testing, and we'll add a date an age field which would be a number to 24, and we'll save it. So as you can see, there's a collection made in which a random document is there with the fields. Now what we'll do is we'll say firestore.instance.collection, and we'll specify the collection, which is users.add. Now it will add the data in JSON format. So first we have to write the key and its value. So first key would be, say, name, and its value would be the name which is inside our app, the local variable, and age would be the age variable which we get from these text fields. And now our code is fully functional. Let's just restart the app, and now let's run this. Now let me enter my name, Soumya, and age 19, and let's submit. Let's see what happens here. See, another document is created with random ID, age 19, name Soumya. Now we'll add something else. We'll say lorem, and let's set the age to 25, and I'll just submit it, and let's see what happens. See, another document is created with age 25 and name lorem. So this is how you can add a document to the Firestore. Okay, in the further tutorials you will see how to modify them, how to fetch the data, etc., etc. So thank you for now.